stately brick home perfectly positioned on a private cove capturing expansive views of the Linkhorn Bay. Tranquil peninsula setting on approximately 1.4 acres of prime waterfront. Dramatic open floor plan flows from the formal living room west/gas logs and marble mantel to open den west/stunning views overlooking outdoor living areas. The bright kitchen boasts stainless appliances and granite tops. Distinctive bar west/granite tops and formal dining room west/chair molding. The expansive master suite offers amazing water views, reading area, oversized marble bath and large walk-in closet. Well-appointed west/wood floors, crown molding and recessed lighting. Situated high on the lot, the large back deck is perfect for entertaining. The property is complete west/boat pier, boat lift and floating dock. Close proximity to premier shopping, the Oceanfront and